Hey, my name is shawnshawn. I sell art on shawnshawn.co. Today we're going to react to Fiona Art. I think she has a last name, but she just has Fiona Art. That's what she goes by. And she specializes in drip painting, more specifically the new pour techniques. But it's all kind of drip versions with balloons, with corianders, but she's really excellent, so let's go check her out. This one is acrylic pouring for beginners.
Fiona again. Today I will try out this Arteza premium metallic colors. They are water-based, heavy body, quick drying, glossy finish, and they come in 4-ounce tubes.
So it's kind of a nice intro with, the products she's going to use. It looks like she's doing maybe a product demo for Arteza, so let's skip ahead a little bit.
Flowers with bottles and reverse dips and bottle bottom, cup bottom, reverse dips and spiral. So I think that
So she could add music here. That'd be a kind of a nice improvement, but
with
because there's not much sound with
balloon
pouring, so to say. So she's put on the white. Let's skip ahead a little bit.
Gold. These paints really look pretty nice. Rich colors. So I will do just one flower and do a dip and do this to have just kind of one flower here on the canvas just here, and I will use my pearl white mixture between the colors, because I want to have some lacing, I hope so.
Okay, she's gonna pour some colors. Let's pour some more. Oh, what's this?
Something like this.
Interesting. I don't know what she's doing with the balloon.
And it's kind of cool, this thing that happened here. But
let's get a little bit ahead. Ooh, now it looks cool.
See, I just put some paint on here. Because I just missed some color here.
So nice application. Let's see what else this looks like.
Done, but still I miss
I think she's gonna add something here.
Really done.
So I like that it's isolated. It's not the whole canvas. It's just that nice color
You can use your
in the middle
and
not too much in the outside, so you have that nice calm areas.
If you think that you should.
I think she'll have a little more here. There's going to be the detail shot, which you can see is really cool. That's a really cool approach, is zoom in so you get a real effect of how these look and really in the detail. So let's go on to the next one. This was a flower painting, amazing acrylic flower painting. Only 3 colors. Must see.
Hello from Slovenia again.
So it would be nice if she introduced her face on here. It is really quick into the painting process, which is nice for some people that just want to see the painting. They don't really care about the artist, but I think that would be nice to add a little bit of the personal touch there.
Another copper bottom.
So I think she paints it black here, which is really cool.
Paint off. Back to the cup as much as I can. You can't pour all into
So she's going to have this. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's just a reflection.
We can't help it.
So she's got the black. Let's see, then she's got the mold here.
Amsterdam greenish blue. This is my Mieri Bordeaux red.
It's nice she walks through the colors there.
And this is artist colors. Naples yellow dip, and of course I have my pearl white mixture. All this will be in the description box too, so if somebody think that need more information, please check my description box.
Just nice and calm.
So I'm adding pearl white between every color.
Yeah, it makes a big difference, I think. Helps the color stand
this
up.
pearl white mixture creates a lovely lacing effect, and I'm adding less pearl white than my other paints, so just to create this lacing effect, and I didn't want this drip here.
I gotta get rid of the airs.
I will put paper towel.
So you can put yellow down.
So
A couple
I
more.
decided
Wow.
that today I will use clean cup for
Looks pretty cool.
the next step when I normally flip. But I think that maybe this is not such a good idea, because now I don't see where my paint will flow. And I will drag some paint out.
That's a really nice
Have to
touch.
grab a paper towel that I will.
Yeah, these little points like pulling the paint out there makes it unusual versus just a pour, so it definitely gives that extra like, whoa, how did they make that, you know?
I don't know if I place this second cup in the middle. I think that I'm not quite in
Skip
the
ahead
middle,
there a little bit. Oh, we got our head finally. I think she's blowing.
Some other videos, but not today.
Wow, that's
Today
pretty
I
cool.
just want to see how this combination work with this technique, because as I said, I already used
Very impressive. So let's go on to the next painting.
Hello from Slovenia again. I already put down my black base and spin it.
Yeah, it's good to skip that skip. That's super
I have
interesting.
my split cup here,
Oh,
and
get that
I
out of there.
will
Now let's skip ahead to where she
refill
puts
it.
the paint down.
have enough.
No, she doesn't
And
put
the
the paint
last
down.
one
Oh,
is
okay, here we go.
Naples yellow mixed with.
Let's start here. Now she's kind of
If I
getting ready.
do a strainer pour with the split cup and see what will happen. So let's see.
That's pretty interesting, a split cup like that. So it must be 3 or 4 colors in that cup, which is really interesting. Yeah, she's really mastered like all the different techniques you can see here. I mean, everyone thinks it's simple, you just pour through a strainer, but she's kind of figured out how those combine and how you have to have that white in between the different layers to make it work right. It's got really cool effects here. Just super psychedelic. Like you wouldn't know how they made it unless you see the video, right? Let's go ahead a little bit.
Obviously I will mess it up.
No!
So obviously it will have a little imperfection there in the middle. But
It's pretty cool just for that. Let's see what she does here. Oh, she's taking out those little drips.
yeah,
Makes sense.
those drips.
Those don't look,
off.
they don't look artistic, so. So I think she's going to clean that up. This is interesting because it's off center, so you're getting that spiral just going all different directions. Wow. It's interesting she's doing 2 different directions to do this. And it's interesting too as well, she has that table covered but not the floor, it looks like. I would have had that way wide to have that covered with the tarp. But wow.
I was hoping for more of some effects, but not as much, maybe because it was, you know, in a split cup. But I still didn't want to have to mix, that these paints would mix too much, so
anyway, I think I'll leave it there. She has some really good techniques. She doesn't have too much on other videos except just pour. So her channel is really specifically on pour. I think that's what she's mastered. Obviously, you can tell from the video, it's really high quality pouring. It's not just pouring and then you get a couple effects. This is a really cool effect with the coriander. Just really amazing effects you didn't think would be possible. Very, very cool. Definitely, I would encourage people to try this out. It could be really fun. It is a really trendy type of painting right now. Besides realism or abstract, they have this style. Everyone's in it, so you might as well try it right. I don't know how long, what's the word to say? How long lasting this will be. There'll probably be a few great pour artists and the rest people kind of fall to the bottom, but this is really cool. I mean, she's definitely, I can see people collecting this for sure because she's definitely high quality. And if you watch her channels, I think you can learn quite a bit about how to do a really good pour. Now, is it totally original? Because she gave me the whole video, you can basically almost copy that painting. Although when you pour, you will not get the same effects as she will. So you can't really copy that per se. You can get a similar painting, similar pattern, but it's going to be different color combinations, more red, more yellow, more blue, more green, etc. It's not going to come out exactly the same. So it is a really cool technique and I'd encourage you guys to check it out. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, I can subscribe below. And I'll see you on the next Artist Reacts video. Thanks for watching, guys.